Welcome back to Meera Education learners. Now, today is the last practical of 8th class MS Access practical. Okay, so let's start. The question is create a new database with a company DB. So we are starting with this. We are opening. First, we will open our software Access 2016 version. Okay, click on blank desktop database, and here you will give a name of your database. As the database name is today company DB, company database. Okay, so this is my database name. Click on create. Okay, now this is by default table 1. It's coming now. Next is create a table name employees with the following fields. Okay, with the following fields. So first we'll switch our view from design datasheet to design. We will give our table name employees and click on OK. Now we are in the design view. I'm deleting this ID, and our first column name is EmpID, the employee ID, EmpID. Okay, and this is a primary key. Let me remove as a primary key first, and I'll show you how to make a primary key. Okay, and employee ID we will write in the short text. Okay, next is name. Third is department. Fourth is designation. Let me copy, no need to be time waste. Designation and salary. Okay, so everything is here now. So department like ID department, sales department, designation like manager or senior manager or senior engineer, and the salary will be in a numbers. Name will be in a short text. Okay, now how you can make a primary key? It's very simple. Just click on your field and just click on field key from the design tab. Okay, and now as you can see the primary key, the key icon is coming here. That means this is a primary key. Now Control plus S, save your table, switch your view from design to datasheet. Now we are in the datasheet view, and employee ID, name, department, designation, and salary is coming now. Okay, now let's suppose we are writing a few name. A101, name is J, department is IT, and designation is senior. I'm giving a senior developer. Okay, let me change the width of my column, the field, and salary is 55,000. Second name is A102, name is Ram Kumar, in the sales is and sales manager, and salary is 50,000. Next is A103 is employee ID, name is Geeta, in the IT and analyst. Okay, like this, and the salary is like 45,000. Now we added 3 records. Now I'm saving. Control plus S. The next point of is enter the 6 sample. We are adding only 3 sample records here. Okay, you can add, you have to add 6 sample records. Now create a query to display all employees working in IT department. So we will write one query. It's very simple to write a query. This is our department. From the create tab, click on query design, select your add your table to for query, and select your fields like employee ID, name, department, designation, and you have to add salary. Now based on department, like who is working on IT, so I will write criteria is equals to IT. I will write is equals to IT and Control plus S, and give your query name. If the query name is given, you can write your query name. Let it be default query name, or you can write the EMP query 1. Okay, click on OK. Now let me close this query and click on this and right click and open. Now you can see the J and Geeta is coming because we return a query for a IT department. Okay, now next is create a query to display employees whose salary is 50,000. Okay, so we are going to write new query. It's very simple to write a query again. Create. Now we are going to use query wizard. You can use query wizard also. Click on this simple query wizard, click on OK button, and it will ask you your table name. Here, from here you have to select your table, and here from here you have to add all your fields. Like I am adding all my fields because I want all fields in this table, in this query. Click on next, and it will show every field on the every records. Next, and open the query to view information and modify this query to query design. So I am using this option and finish. Now the query has been done. Okay, name, department, designation, and salary. So our criteria is where the salary is greater than 50,000. So my all employees are having salary more than no, only once Geeta is she is having 45,000. Okay, so here I'm adding this in the design view, and I'm giving a criteria here greater than 50,000. Greater than 50,000. I'm saving this query. Okay, I'm saving this query. Employee query by the name is okay. I right click and close this query. Now running this query. Okay, let me close this table also. Right click and open this query. Now you can see only J is coming. You know why? Because 50,000 से ऊपर हमारा सिर्फ एक ही एम्प्लॉय है जिसकी सैलरी कितनी है 55,000 है. You know you can see in this table सेल्स मैनेजर का 50,000 है, एनालिस्ट का कितना है 45,000. So it's not matching with our criteria. Only J is matching with our criteria. So it's showing only one employee in the query. Okay. Now the next part is create a query that show only name and education of employee. It's very simple. बहुत simple query है ये. Click on create, design, add your table, click close button, add your employee ID, and question is asking name and designation. So I don't want the employee ID, I want a name and I want a designation. Just save this query with a name query. Let's suppose I'm writing QUERY. Okay, and I'm closing this query and I'm running this query. Now you can see name and designation only coming. This is in this way you can write your next query. Okay, now next part is just close this query. Next task has given create a form, name employee, entry form to entering employee details. It's very simple to create a form. Again, click on create, click on form, and the I selected the name query. Okay, let me close this form. I don't want to change this form. Click on employee, create form. Now all the fields are coming. Now Control plus S, give your form name. As a form name is given here employee entry form. So I will change the employee entry form. Click on OK button, Control plus S, and close this form. Click on right click and open. Now click on this button to enter new records. If you want to see the existing record, you can like first record, second record, third record. Okay, in this way, and you can existing record you can change also, just like Geeta Kumari, and you can save this record, or you close, open this employee. Now you can see the Geeta Kumari is coming here. Now in this way you can update existing records also. If you want to enter new record, just click on the new blank record. Click on this button and give your employee ID like A104. Name is, I'm giving my name Prakash. Working department is IT, and designation is PGT CS. Okay, and salary, the whatever the salary it is. Okay, let's suppose I'm giving a salary here 60,000. Okay, now it's Control plus S and click on this button, and now close your form, and you will see here the Prakash with the IT PGT CS 60,000 salary. Okay, in this way you can create, you can add your records using a form. Now the next part is use the form to add 3 new employee records. You have to add 3 records. I added only 1. Then same way you have to add 2 more records. Okay, and the last is create a report to display all employee group by department. Chalo, how you can create a report? Click on create, click on report, and now all the employees are coming here with the name, department, designation, and salary. Okay, if you want to only department, you can write a query, and now in this report employee ID, name, department, designation, salary, all things are coming. Okay, all fields are coming. I'm saving this report with the employee. I'm closing this and I'm opening this. Now you can see employee ID, name, department, designation, salary, all fields are coming. If you want to if you want only few fields in your report, you can write a query and you can select your query and you can make a report of that. Okay, so in this way you have to solve these three questions. Like first question was school DB, second question was library DB, and the third was a company DB. Okay, so all videos are uploaded on this channel, you can check. अगर पसंद आते like करें this channel, share, and if there is any issue just comment below on this video. Okay, thanks for watching.